Good morning, everyone. We are launching our second AI residency cohort. August first week, Saturday, we are going to have the orientation session. And this is after the success of our first cohort where we have 12 members, and we are going ahead and learning from our cohort and improving the program. The new cohort that we are launching in August, the first week 2024, in the next 1.5 months, is going to be an improved version of what we are currently doing. That is because this is our full-time job. Our customers, our clients are most important here, their satisfaction, their feedback. We are trying to take every step and improve as we go ahead. So just wanted all of you here who are interested in the AI residency, could not join in the first cohort, can join in this particular cohort. So the prerequisites for this particular cohort is you need to have a little bit knowledge of Python. So I just wanted to give a 5 minutes walkthrough of what is this AI residency and what is the concept. So we have now introduced the 3 months fast track for the cohort based system. If you are interested, and if you want to work even for longer time, we can talk one-on-one, but the ideal scenario for the getting started, 3 months is what we are trying to target. We want to keep the duration short, where it is very much focused on delivery that is there, and we will tell what are the skills that really matter. Python, many people say that Python, we are moving towards no code, but knowing Python is still very important, and we have a prerequisite and a very good program for all of you to learn Python. So it's around 1 month. That is why we are launching this right now. If you guys are interested in the AI residency program, the main cohort is going to start, as I said, in the August, but you need to learn basic Python. And if we are want to teach Python, we will have one-on-ones, and we will have the program so that everyone learns Python, because learning Python in a batch does not work properly. You can get some concepts and some theory in the batch, but real practice has to be done by yourself, and that is why we push everyone to do the Python by themselves initially. So all the AI residents, tracks start immediately once they enroll, even though they are going through the program. One is their skills, prerequisite skills that are Python is very important, and the second one is their profile, their portfolio, their resume, which is also very important. Other than that, if you see this flow chart, you will be going through basic generative AI, you will be going through, if I can just, you will be going through basic generative AI, Python, then generative AI basic, then doing some small project, then you will be doing LLMs and RAGs. What is LLM and RAG? It is large language model and retrieval augmented generation, which is very important. Then how you can build your portfolio and your LinkedIn. Both has to be done parallelly. LinkedIn takes time for the algorithm to start recognizing you as an expert, and you need to be discoverable on LinkedIn for you to get any visibility and job opportunities. Then you need to start building your POC and your wireframe, and then think about how you can monetize your final project that you have done, which is a very important thing that is that has to be done. So these things you have to make sure to make a project. And I told in the earlier videos also, think about a project that companies or individuals can pay money for, because having a project where people don't pay any money will not help you at all. And now coming to what are the things that we are going to have other than this. Mostly I will be the instructor. I have around 2 decades of experience in this space. I have been doing academy for the last 8 years. I have helped 1,000+ people in getting their dream jobs in the data science, data analysis, data engineering, and now the AI engineering thing, which is the very important. Not only helping you build your dream job, but also to help you build your own startup and side hustle is what we really start pitching for. And as I told you earlier, AI engineer is something that we really focus on. AI engineer is something that is an intersection between your data scientist and your full stack engineer. So this is what is very important. And not only as we are going through this program, we are improving everything here. These are the prerequisites that you need to start doing it within the first or the second week of the program. Then we have Python for AI, which is very, very important, all these things. Then Git and GitHub is something that we are really pushing in our community, that you need to know. Then we have the generative AI, all the parameters, playground, prompt engineering, open source LLM introduction, and then going in deep into Hugging Face, and then RAG and fine tuning, which is retrieval augmented generation, when to use retrieval augmented generation, when to use fine tuning, how to make projects with these skills. You make a project but you don't know how to deploy it, so we have AWS and MLflow, and also deployment, the CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous development. AI agent is something very new, AutoGen and everything we are using. We have also added a new thing, that is FlowWise, which is also going to be part of this particular thing. Then other than that, I told you soft skills are something that will be a parallel track when you start with your resume, your LinkedIn, that mindset that you are doing. Communication is something that we are pushing everyone to talk in our meetups, in our events, in our live master classes, so that that skill has to be learned. Then you will try to do things together, put everything together, automate your job, whatever monotonous thing that you're doing, how you can use AI agent and start automating your work. What is the correct way to apply for these opportunities, putting your AI products on the marketplace. This is also a very, very important skill that you need to know. So because not only jobs, think about building your own project, your own startup idea. If you put that in your resume, that can be looked by some hiring managers and will give you a potential to get hired eventually. So these are some of the things. As you can see, these master classes are getting improved day by day, and we are going to add extra things that are coming through the workshop, starting with this generative AI, building GitHub. So these are some of the orientation, pre-orientation or orientation type of programs. But here we are going to talk about the main 20% that is actually that you need to know, that will cover the 80%, the Pareto principle that we work on. Focus on the top 20 that covers the 80% of the things and give you a direction to go further. APIs are very, very important. No one teaches you API in colleges, but APIs and fast APIs are something that can really get you going, how to do this requests and how to start putting your code into the web. LLMs, how it works, introduction to playground, then going by more into details about generative AI configuration and different LLMs, then how you can build wrappers and do function calls, like example of getting what is the current weather in Dubai. So when you ask this question in plain English, the GPT doesn't know the answer, so it goes to the Open Weather API, gets the information and puts in the weather in Dubai is 29 degrees and it does not feel like it is going to rain. So this is what it is going to talk to you about, how we are going to do it. We're going to look into it, then how we can deploy this application in Hugging Face, then how we can build an open source project like this, then getting deeper into vector embeddings, vector DB, RAG. You can see 3 times we have talked about RAG because it is a very, very important concept, and we will talk more about these things. And in the end, how we can automate your workflow and how you can start working on your capstone project, which we are going to talk about. Capstone project is something that has to be unique. We will give you ideas, but you need to pick up one of those ideas and try to customize it according to you. So this is one of the most comprehensive and personalized program to help you get into AI, because not only the cohort that we are running, we have a dedicated WhatsApp groups with 6 mentors. Now, not only me, we have 6 mentors who are there on the group. We can answer you, we can guide you, who can, if there is any questions, and we are trying to put everything for you. The cost is of this program is there because it is lot of involvement of the team, but there are some scholarship opportunities. So the cost is $499 per month for the 3 months, but you can try to get some scholarships. And the ideal scenario is, this is a very, very small investment for the value and the content that you are going to get, right? So this is, as you can see, the next tech revolution. It's a high demand and high reward. These skills is going to future-proof your career, and you can add this in your resume about all these technologies, and it is going to really, really help you get eyeballed by the recruiters and hiring managers. So there is a lot of positive reviews from our community owners and community and the program people who have taken this particular program. And there are some of the FAQs. You can see this, how different it is, not from any ChatGPT course, what type of projects, which you receive a certification, and everything that is there. You can have a look. We will be going through a lot of tools and frameworks, and with this keeps getting added as we speak. So there is a lot of content, as I was just talking about. The content is there, and what we are doing is we are adding more and more content as we speak. And this is the best way for you. The early joiners get advantage because they have 1.5 months to prepare for the cohort that is going to happen in August 3. The orientation is going to happen, and before that you get to learn some of the foundational skills that are required in Python and in other things. What are the things that you really need to focus to build your own portfolio and own resume, and then learn those skills in this 10 master classes. And we will be giving you an LMS access, and the LMS access will be something like this, wherein you can, let me just show you guys. You can sign. This will be given to every student who is a part of our residency program, and this will be a lifetime access. Plus you will be getting, for the 3 months duration, you will be getting the AI Guild membership, where we have live workshops and live events that are there. So if you can see here, this is your own. There are pre-recorded courses for everything that is there, and for the things that require some more involvement, because it is a whole course. Like if you want to go in details in generative AI, how LLM works. So how LLM works, if you go here, there is a link to our guild community where we have specific courses for specific sections. Similarly, for components of LLM, we have all these 4 things. Everything is put in structure, Hugging Face, RAG, what you can see everything here, and all the master classes that you are good people are this getting recorded, it is being put here. So this is going to be a LMS platform which is going to be lifetime with all our the members who have enrolled for this program. And not only this, you will be also getting access to our AI Guild community, which is approximately $19+ per month, where you will have all the resources. Some of the resources are being used for our AI residents. Some of this is extra for you to work and to enhance your skills if it is very specific to your skills and your interest. And also, you can see there are a lot of events that we keep doing about AI strategies, AI content, and industrialization. So according to your interest, not only me, but we get guest speakers to come and share their knowledge. So just to give a summary, AI residency program is one of the best programs for you to start your AI journey, your data science journey, with one-to-one personalized mentorship, with a very small cohort where every student will get a personalized attention, and 2 tracks. One is your skill track, and second track is your profile and resume building track, which will happen parallelly while you go through this cohort. The end of the goal is, whatever skills you learn, you need to put it in the project and put the project in your GitHub and your portfolio and profile, and we will help you with giving you checkpoints, reminders, structure to make you sure that you have a very good profile and resume. And this is not only for you, but for us as a company, as an academy, as a recruitment hub, also have your good profile that we can share with our clients, our partners who are looking for AI engineers and talents. And specifically, one thing that is really unique for this program is we have some Arabic speaking people who are really required, who know their skills and who can talk to customers in this region. And this is what we are trying to help and do, very much focused in this region. This program is being developed. Get the skills, get going, and do apply. And if you have any questions, get back to us, and see you in the other side.